Morning, family. Assalamu alaikum. It's Ham's Loft. Sunday afternoon, roughly about 1 o'clock. I see a little puddle of water right there and little drops on that thing, on that chair, because it's raining out here just a little bit. A little update of what I got going on. First, I only have, I think, 6 babies and about 30 something eggs. So my second round, which I'm about to, a couple of birds already did a second round, but most of them I threw away the eggs and ran and just cut off the lights. So I started all over for a second round, try to get control of the breeding. These right here, they produce one bird. They laid eggs the second round. I threw away one egg, and then the last time they wasn't raising them. The 2 babies died on a cold day. They got 2 eggs in here now. Cock is sitting on the eggs, and my archangels right here, they laid another egg in the corner over there. They wasn't sitting on it, so I took it out and I put it with somebody else. So let's do a quick update. Guess I don't need to give them no water for a bath. They're gonna get that anyway. So let's look inside here and see what we got going on. Okay, this pair up here is one of my racing team pair. They only have one egg in there. Yeah, one egg. My silver here has 3 eggs. Oh, they got 2 eggs in here. I haven't seen no shells, so I know ain't nobody. They were sitting on their nest, so she should be dropping any minute. And this one down here, let's take a look at them, because I know her babies should be decent, but not too big. Okay, the bottom one, that was right there. That's their 2 chicks. Crop pretty full. And that's the hen right there. Okay, nothing going on in this nest. She's sitting on 2 eggs in that nest. The archangel egg, I put it in there. In this one, she laid 1 egg. I just put the archangel egg. It's really smaller, and she's sitting on it, but we'll see what happens. And the silver down there is sitting on 2 eggs. She's supposed to be up there, but I pulled the babies out, and now she's on the floor. So crazy. And I still got, she's sitting on 2 eggs up top there. But that's a cock. That's the cock. Blue grizzle. Well, most of the birds, you can see most of the hens are out there. And these are the young birds. And that's my flying team. What's left of my flying team. We're in the hallway. Well, that's the young birds. That's there. I fed them yesterday. I gave them a little bit more corn today. And you can see nobody's down there. Everybody is ready to go outside. All of them already know how to trap right there. I just dropped that down. And then everybody else is just sitting around doing nothing, waiting to get a chance to fly for the first time at the end of the next week. All right, these are my kind of like my flying. Everybody in here is already flown outside and trapped and everything, so they all know how to fly. That's my black right there. Comes from somebody else's loft. Caught it. They didn't want it. I kept it. Put it back to health once again. He's sitting on 2 eggs. The hen right there is sitting on 3 eggs. That one is sitting on 1 egg. I guess she laid an egg in there and then laid the other one right there. So they doing what they're supposed to do. I think it's 2 eggs in here. Oh, I don't know what's in there. I can't tell. Well, there's nothing in there. I thought it was, but I guess it ain't. And he's sitting on 2 eggs. He's sitting on 2 eggs. So let's move on. All right, that Grizzle and that Check are making a nest down there. As you see, they ain't got nothing in there. That one has got 2 eggs. That one has got 2 eggs. She's got 2 eggs. There's 2 babies in there. Gotta ban them today. That one is sitting on 2 eggs. That one is sitting on 2 eggs. That black right there is sitting on 2 eggs. 2 eggs in the corner there. And that red Check is sitting on 1 egg. My dog Grizzle, 2 eggs. My dog Check, 2 eggs. 2 more eggs in there. She's sitting on 2 babies. Crops. That baby's so full. You see how I didn't ban it. I'm getting ready to ban it as soon as I stop this video. Man, it's just, no wonder it ain't squeaking. It's just so full. All right, and he's sitting on two eggs. That's a cop. This is my silver cop, old school. They're sitting on 2 eggs. So you can see a bunch of eggs, total of 6 babies, all the rest just eggs. All right, people, let me get out of here. All right, this is my little kit. Different bands. Wow. Hey, I know I band them the same numbers on cocks and hens, so I know which ones are with who. Measuring cups, toothpicks, my new 50 thing of bands. These are my money bands. I got 4 of those. And we're gonna get in here and go ahead and band them up. Of course, my favorite appreciation for everybody and different guys lost. YouTube channels. You can always look them up. A lot of content right there on that wall right there. Okay, people, comment, subscribe. I appreciate everybody for watching. Ham's Loft updates Sunday. Peace.